everybody, it's Cam for Techtainian. Today we have an Android Beam video for you guys. So we're going to be looking at Android Beam as well as some other weird differences between Nexus. As one of the weird things you probably noticed is there are two Nexuses here and I only have one.
And notice how he said we.
We. That's because I brought one of my friends along today that has a Nexus, a Galaxy Nexus. So
What's up?
Say hello, Nick.
What's up?
Hello everybody. So yeah, just a little bit more stuff about Nick maybe in the future. Nick may be writing a column on Techtainian.net, the site, like a weekly column just about technology. That's not confirmed yet, but he may start doing that, so... Maybe, exactly. So he may start getting into like a column, and you know, if you guys do read the site, then that is obviously awesome. I don't post a lot of written material, but...
I'm an awesome writer.
He's not. Maybe, I don't know. We'll find out. You guys will be able to decide. Anyway, so let's just get to the meat of this video. When I did my review of the Galaxy Nexus, I was never able to test out Android Beam, but now that I have two Nexus, they're both mine.
You mean Nexii?
Nexii, they're both mine. We can test out Android Beam and a couple of the problems it has. So I will beam my favorite website in the world, Techtainian.net, to this Nexus over here.
So for those of you who don't know, you basically put two Nexii against each other, and the process is magically done.
So here is, this is one video, well I got my site on here. So we'll just do the process. And you can see that,
it says touch to beam.
Oh wait, it didn't look very good there. Okay, so, like that. It's just, and you can see that there's kind of like a space thing going on. Well, actually, let's do it again because you guys didn't hear the cool sound effect.
It's very cool.
Oh, very cool. So you see there's like some space in the background. Let's just focus in for you guys. I'm getting a phone call. Let's just beam that. Oh, looks like, let's just end that. So anyway, I just beamed it, and now when we turn this over here, you can see the site is already loading. So that is the super awesomeness of Android beaming. So we can also beam other stuff. So why don't you pull something up on there, like a YouTube video or something, and we'll beam it over. And
you have to be on the home screen for the beam to occur.
And
just touch the beam.
Hits the beam.
And notice how it is still working real time.
Hopefully it will come up. Looks like we're having an unexpected visitor, so we will just give us 1 second.
And we're back in action.
Yeah, almost. After that little interruption. So let's just beam a couple more things here.
Okay, your turn.
We can beam a market thing, so we'll go to the Android market here.
Have to be on the home screen.
We'll beam an app like...
Drive.
Drive? What Drive?
There's Drive.
Drive. That's a movie.
Yes, it's a movie.
Well, let's beam a movie. Okay, so... This time we will show you this way, so the thing goes on top. I just hit the beam underneath, and there it goes into the market.
Magic.
It is magical. So Android Beam is pretty cool. One of the only big problems we had was Chrome.
And so basically you can sync browser apps and all that, but right here, as we're about to demonstrate, Chrome doesn't really sync.
Yeah, if you have, like, we don't have Chrome set as our defaults right now, but if you do have Chrome set as your default, and you try to beam something...
Let's demonstrate.
But I don't have Chrome set as my...
I opened up New York Times.
I have to set Chrome as my default, though.
Okay, alright, so...
Or it won't go to Chrome. It will just go to the other app.
Right.
Okay, so if he tries to beam me this now...
Okay, just click second. And beam. Touch to perform the magical action. Nexii event.
And it goes to Chrome, like you think it's gonna go.
But no New York Times.
It just loads up a blank screen. So obviously Chrome is still in beta right now.
Hopefully it will get improved in the full version.
So I can see how that's not working fully. But right now you cannot beam through Chrome beta.
We suggest using the proper browser.
Yeah, but I guess though, I'm sure that Google will be smart about it and add that soon. What else do we have to show you guys? Oh yeah, so these are two Nexuses. Nexuses. One is a Nexus from Europe that was imported, and one is a Nexus from Bell. Local Nexus, because this is Canada. I don't know if you can see. Let's just try to focus that there. You can see here.
This is only unrelated. My screen seems to be more darker than his.
So just hold this a bit. Hold this right there. Let's just try to focus.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can see the gradient, just looks a little bit different. Yeah. Just a little bit different. Yeah. It's more apparent in the real world.
Well, what if we test out the Easter egg?
But just a little bit different My Nexus is also on a newer version of Android, 4.0.2.
Takes a lot, Bell.
Yeah, Bell's slow. Maybe this will also show that this one is a little bit lighter of a blue there.
Yeah.
Whereas the other one is just a bit...
Hey, it looks like they're going from your screen to mine.
Just a bit darker.
Cool.
So anyway, Camper Techtainian is taking a quick look at the Nexus Beam and...
Don't forget me.
And the Nexus differences. Anyway, stay tuned to Techtainian.net. You may see Nick putting out some columns on Techtainian.net, some weekly tech columns. But until next time, it's been Camper Techtainian.
And Nick.
And Nick. Adios, amigos.
Adios.
No, you can't say adios.
That's my can't.
No, that's mine.
No.
That's mine.
No, I'm not.
You can't.
Don't.
Goodbye, guys.
Goodbye.
Adios.
Adios.
No.